What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I finally got some of my OnePlus gear in. The shirt is still back ordered, but I got my hat in, and their presentation is better than like the NFL store, man. They put this thing in the box. I was like, what the heck is in here? So I'm gonna cut it open here, and I got the baseball cap, and I got the shirt to match, but again, it's back ordered, man. So I was pretty perturbed about that. But this is good presentation right here, man. Look at this. Go ahead, OnePlus, man. There it is. I like. Yes, sir. So you got the branding on the back right here, the JCC, and you got a black OnePlus logo right there. And then you've got the Never Settle, and then you've got the OnePlus little bands here, little tag here. This will run you $35 if you decide to pick it up. I'm feeling this, man. And I got the shirt to match again, but you know how that goes. So yeah, let's try it on. Let's see how it fits. Gotta get it tried on. 1 sec. All right, so here it is, man. Decided to go ahead and show you the gear here. It's nice and comfy. You know what I'm saying? The shirt that matches, I can't wait to get it. That's 30 bucks. Again, this hat is 35. Good presentation on the box, man. They ship it like a premium package, man. My NFL gear costs more. My Eagles hats cost like 40 to 50 bucks each, and they don't even ship them like that. So shout out to OnePlus for having a box for the hat, man. I opened it up like, whoa. It's my first piece of gear that I've actually bought from them. So, I like it a lot, man. So I want to get that Explorer bag. So if you have that Explorer bag, please hook your man Jay up and send me an invite. It's 99 bucks right now. I want to go ahead and get that, but it's invite only. So if you have the invite for the Explorer bag, hook your man Jay up, man. Anyway, I'll show you the shirt once I get it. But for now, this is the hat. I'm loving it.